If you suffer from joint issues, this right here may be able to help you. This is Shilajit. As I'm sure that many of you have heard, Shilajit has been shown to have profound beneficial effects on hormone health optimization, detoxification of both heavy metals and pesticides, as well as gut health. A 2019 randomized control trial took recreationally active men and gave them low or high doses of Shilajit. Both of the study doses were shown to decrease the rate of muscular fatigue due to exercise and lower the amounts of hydroxyproline. As you can see here, hydroxyproline is one of the amino acids that makes up collagen, the major connective tissue in joints. The authors of the study inferred that the decreases in hydroxyproline observed were because Shilajit was promoting the formation of collagen. So you're using up some of the free hydroxyproline in order to synthesize actual functional collagen. However, just because hydroxyproline went down doesn't guarantee that Shilajit was indeed causing collagen synthesis. Well, this study right here was just published 2 weeks ago to definitively prove whether or not Shilajit can directly increase collagen synthesis. Rather than checking hydroxyproline levels, they assessed the inactive form of the functional collagen subunit protein for type 1 collagen. And yes, indeed, 8 weeks of Shilajit consumption did indeed increase the production of type 1 collagen. So if you have joint pain issues, then you might want to give Shilajit